Alright, so this is just a real quick video on how to check the drive belt deflection on a Beetle. Is you want to check this right here. You're going to push it in, you're going to measure that deflection. The specification is for 1/2 inch. So from right here, should be getting to 1/2 inch of deflection. And right there, maybe a little bit tight, so I'm just going to add 1 shim. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this pulley apart, and you're going to add a couple, however many you need. So you're going to need a 3/4 wrench or a 19mm, I believe. You're going to stick your screwdriver right in here to keep this from spinning. You're going to twist against it and loosen up this bolt right here. And you can see as I loosened it, this got a lot looser right here. So pull this off, pull off your little cap right here, and you should keep your extra shims right here. But you're just going to pull these out and pop this cover off of your pulley. Now your belt's completely loose, and this is where you're going to add the shims to. So if you have a narrow gap right here, it's going to be really close together. This belt is going to be pushed farther up. It's going to be tighter. If you have a wide gap for a smaller belt, then it'll sit a little bit farther down in there, and it's going to be a little bit looser. So I'm going to loosen this up just a little bit. I'm going to add a very thin shim right here. Slide it on right there. Alright, now once it gets to the point where it's spinning as you turn, stick your screwdriver back in here and block it from turning. There's a little slot right up here. Go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, this will be pretty good. What I like to do from here is to spin it around a couple more times just to make sure it's evenly fit into this pulley. Now testing the deflection again, you can see it's got a little bit more play. It's actually probably more comfortable sitting right here. Other manuals will tell you that you want to make sure you can spin this. So side to side, make sure you can fully spin it. So I'm happy with this is where it's sitting at right now. It's definitely a little bit looser and be better for the bug. If you want to see another video about what size belt to get, I've got other ones on my channel, so check those out too. Good luck.